Greetings, beloveds. This is the Goddess Green Juice, a sacred blend of tropical fruits, earthy greens, and energizing roots. Each pour is alive with vitality, intention, and love. I've infused cucumber, pineapple, and ginger, along with a few secret ingredients from my Vibrant Living Wellness Kitchen. Each one chosen to elevate your glow and realign your energy. This isn't just a drink, it's a ritual, a moment of mindfulness, a reminder that your body is your temple and what you pour into it should reflect your highest vibration. Here's to radiance, to renewal, and to living vibrantly every single day. I'm Tae Bond, your wellness architect. Drink the glow, live vibrantly. Hi, and welcome to our Vibrant Living Wellness series. And I am bringing you this amazing, beautiful green goddess green juice. This is one of my favorites. And in this juice is some yumminess and some deliciousness. And I actually did a pre-recording of this, of how I juiced it and all the ingredients, so go ahead and I'll leave the link so you can check that out. Get your greens in, guys. Get your nutrients in and be healthy. This is alive, living foods because your body is alive and you deserve to put living foods in your body. I love you. Mwah.